Hello guys, welcome to 3D Home. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys something very, very interesting. Okay, so today I'll be showing you guys how to, convert this ArchiCAD work into AutoCAD file. Okay, into AutoCAD file without fill. Okay, without fill. Let's say an electrical engineer needs to work on your drawings, and you need to send the work as CAD file to the electrical engineer. So what you need to do is to convert it to AutoCAD, right? And then make sure there's no fill, there's no black and white inside this, yeah, inside the wall, just plain AutoCAD file. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that and also maintaining your dimensions. So that's what we'll be doing real quick today. So what you need to do once your ArchiCAD file is open like this and you're seeing your drawings, what you need to do, which I normally do, is just um this this worksheet. You'll see worksheet. All right, come to this worksheet and then right click on it. You see new independent worksheet. Click on that one and then give it a name here. Let's say um all in, I'm sorry, let me just capitulate that. Let's say all in all. All right, all in all. I'm just trying to put something I can actually remember on time. So all in all and say create. Now you see all in all here. Okay, all in all here. So the whole of this sheet now is empty. So this is assumed to be like a 2D, yeah, 2D sheet. 2D sheet where you can bring all your work. So what we need to do now is just go back to your plan view, all right, and select everything here. Okay, select everything here and then control C, okay, that's control copy, and then click on all in all and control V, that's paste, and paste it here. So now you're going to see your work. Now you see everything is still showing as the normal plan, but mind you, everything here now is on 2D. You can see this one is on its own, this one is, I'm sorry, this is field now. You can see the lines are still on their own. So what you need to do right now is, I like to I actually like to, let me show you something. I hope this one works like that though. So once you click on fill, right, control A and control delete. Yeah, this is what I want to show you guys. And control delete, you can see that all the words are gone together with the fill tools, except for some few lines that are here and some few words that are here that have no fills. So what are we supposed to do? Like maybe you're experiencing something like this, you just delete and everything will go. You delete and everything will go. Let's say for instance, I want to delete this field. You click on the field and delete, and the world is also gone. So how do you do this? It's just a simple thing. Let me show you. Once you're here, what you need to do is click on this suspend group. Okay, make sure this suspend group is on. So click on suspend group and then select any of them that you want. Just click on this one, delete is gone. Click on this one, delete this one. But you don't have all the time to be doing them one after the other. Come on, we need to be fast on what you're doing, right? So let me control Z and then show you. Still the same this field. Click on this field, control A. But make sure it's on this suspend group, okay? So now delete. Everything is gone except for the lines. And if you increase the line thickness by right clicking and then check through line width, you can see that the files are here and the dimensions are still here and everything is intact. Everything is intact. Everything is intact. Now this one is ready. Sorry, my mic is, it has been giving me this. I think it's asking for a new mic. So let me just quickly round up. The battery is just running down on time. Okay. So now you can see that everything is okay now. And for the elevations, let's just go to same way, same thing. Just click on your front south elevation. There's something I need to show you guys. You can see some little effects on these elevations. You can see trees, you can see birds. Please, if you're interested and you want to learn how to add these effects, just write it on the comment sections. I got you guys now. I got you. It's my work to show you guys simple things and how to, garnish your works. So okay, this is the front elevation. What we need to do now is just control copy everything and Now highlight everything with that. Control copy. All right, and go back to all in all sheets and Control V. Control V. Look at where it's coming to. Control V. Click. So I don't think the electrical engineer actually needs these palm trees and the birds, but let's see. I shall hope the fields will not go. And mind you, we need our roof fill, because this roof you're seeing is also fill material. This roof you're seeing, this is fill material. Oh, it came as single. Okay, this is amazing then. All right, this is amazing. Amazing. Oh, this is card image. That's why it didn't split. Oh, let's see. And this is fill. Okay, let's just suspend everything. And now let's click on view and Control A. Everything is selected. We need to deselect this roof. So click on Shift and click on this one. Hope it's not everything. That is okay. Let's deselect this and see. I hope this is, yeah, thank goodness. So what I did is, okay, let me Control Z. Once it's on this, all right. Once it's on suspend, click on this and Control A. All right. Control A will actually, everything that is here is going to be selected at this field, but thank God we don't have field here. That's why not actually selected here. So for this one now, which is here, um, once it's on suspend group, it's going to select everything. All right. But for us to unselect this roof, we have to remove it, because right now every part of this roof is on their own, right? So we need to remove this suspend group so that everything now can be together, and then we'll deselect this one. I'm pointing at the roof as if you can see it from here. And then so right now, God help me, I need to explain this thing better. Okay, so right now, since it's on suspend, every single thing here, you can see they are all on their own. Okay, so if you want to deselect while it's still on suspend group, you cannot deselect them one after the other. They have to be a single entity, and for us to have it as single entity, we need to deselect. We have to remove the suspend group. Now you see that you can click all at once, but you cannot leave it like this and Control A, because it's going to select including the walls, right? It's going to delete including the walls, just like what happened on the floor plan. So what we need to do now, let's just go straight to the point. Just first thing, if you want to work on this roof, which is card image roof, these ones that are on their own, make sure it's on the select suspend group. Everything is on their own, right? Okay. Now you can, okay, now since it's like this, what you need to do now, make sure it's on suspend group, right? Then click fill and Control A. Alright. Now for us to deselect this roof, you have to remove the suspend group, alright, and then shift and press on this roof. You can see that the roof is on its own now. So now you suspend it back to delete. Delete. We need to rework on this thing. How do I explain this thing better or easier? Okay. So now, oh God, the Lord is my strength. So now you click on suspend group, right? Control A. If we do Control A now, I'm sorry. We click on the suspend group, right? Click on fill, then Control A. So everything on that field is selected. And then now, delete. Yes. Hmm. 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 Let me explain to you guys what happened here. Right? Let me explain to you guys what happened here. Let me explain to you guys. Now, you discover that these walls, right, have shadows. You see shadows, right? Shadows. See shadows, shadows. These dark parts are shadows. And then come to this fill. You can see shadows too here. All these ones are shadows. All these ones are shadows. This is actually the shadows that gives them the depth. You can see depth. You can see depth. It looks like there's depth, there's corrugation, right? But since this is 2D, thank God we are not maintaining the depth from if we want to actually achieve it on time. There's no need to maintain the depth. So what we need to do right now is just suspend the group. Just I think this one is the simplest. Just come here, suspend the group. Okay, this is suspend group. Suspend group. Come to fill, Control A, all right, and then delete. Simple. So no headache. No headache. The other one was giving us headache. So simple. I need to remove that 3 because it's but if we still want to maintain it, let's click here. Let's see if we can just stretch here up. Nope, it's not moving. 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 Not moving. So let's just delete this and leave the birds. Yeah. So this is for the front elevation. And then for the side elevation, same thing. Just come to side, which could be the left. Let's see west. Yep. I have all those trees everywhere. Same thing. Okay, so just select everything. Control A. Oh, sorry, Control C rather. That's copy. And then come to all in all sheets. Don't forget this is our 2D sheet, right? And then Control V and paste. Now let's shift it to this side. Click outside. So now for us to select this thing, make sure you click on suspend group. Don't forget to click on suspend group before you click on fill. Alright? So don't forget to click on suspend group before fill. So once you bring your work, suspend, click on fill, Control A, delete. Once you bring your work, suspend, go to your fill, Control A, delete. Alright? I think we are cool on that. So this formula is simple. Alright? The formula is simple. It's still loading. The work is a bit heavier. A bit heavy. Thank you. Okay. So after this tutorial, I think there's this building we need to work on. It's a very amazing building. Yeah. I think we have tutorials that ask for strength. The Lord is my strength. So I say, okay, remember, let's do what I just said. I say once you bring your work, right? Suspend group. Once you bring your work, you suspend group, you click on fill, Control A, then delete. Thank you. So we need to take off this. So the last one, right? No, second to the last. We have left, so let's click on right, which is east. Right, which is east. Right, which is east. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just switching this mic up and down. I don't know. The mic is begging me that please, I need to be changed. So I'm just discovering these battery issues these days. I don't know what's happening. I think it's time we get a new mic. So now, once you select Control C, right? That's copy, and then also all in all Control V, Control V, 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 V. Mind you, the elevations, the levels doesn't come together with this. The levels remain on their own. They remain there. It's only the outer lines. Okay. Why I'm copying the elevations, I think there will be need for it in case there's any unique design on the elevations, the electrical engineer can see that and then put it into consideration. Only plan would not show him what the buildings look like, okay? It only shows the flow. But with the elevations, I believe it will aid him to actually know what he's doing. That's why I'm copying all the 4 elevations for the person. So, okay, it's still loading, still loading, still loading. All right, so once you bring your work, you suspend group, right? You click on fill, then Control A and delete. All right, so now we need to take off this tree and this tree. So it's running one, just one elevation. We need to do that by clicking on north. Okay, north elevation. North elevation. All right, so just select everything, or you press Control A, but let's copy Control C, and then I'm actually doing this without fast forwarding this because I want you to get familiar with it. Okay, I want you to get familiar with it. If you can watch this process of these 3 drawings, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 processes of doing this, and this should be very, very familiar on how to familiar with the method rather. Okay, should be familiar with the method. So now make sure it's on suspend group, click on fill tool, Control A, then delete. All right, so now we are good to go. There's no need for the roof, there's no specialty on the roof. Okay, oh, thank God there's lights now. Okay, so I think we are done with this. We're done with this. Or should we add the roof plan? Okay, let's add the roof plan. It's not really necessary, but let's just add. So same thing, you can just do Control A, but Control A will affect all with the elevation. So let's go this way. Select Control A. Oh, don't mind me. Just select everything. Control C, which is copy, right? Control C, copy. And then go back to all in all sheets. Control V and paste. Mind you, once this Q tool is still moving around, that shows that you still have the strength or the advantage of moving it to where you want it to be. Okay, so once you drop it on the place you want, just click outside. That's all. So we can just leave this one without removing any field stuff. Okay, removing any field stuff. Let's leave this one. Okay, so I think we are done with this. So once you're done once you're done bringing them to this sheet, okay, to this 2D sheet, this walls doesn't have they only have thickness, but they are not components. How do I say this? They are not actually something you can stretch or reduce or this. They are just 2D. They are just lines now. Okay, unlike these ones that you can click on the wall and you see wall here showing wall on the setting dialogs, and you can shift the wall, you can bend the wall and everything, you can move the wall. This time around, here is just 2D file or 2D space. You can't move them. These are lines on their own. These are just single lines on their own. Okay, these are single lines on their own. So since we are done bringing them here, the next thing we need to do is to just save them as CAD file. So you come to file, you come to save as. All right, change this save as PDF to, you see, DWG, and then let's look for, just save it anywhere you can easily remember. All right, save it where you can easily remember. All right, so I'll just go with clinic file. I'll say clinic CAD file. Yep, clinic CAD file, and then save. So we are good to go. We are good to go. We are good to go. It's saving. Once it's done saving, I want us to open it and see how it looks like. Okay, so now let's go and check it out. Okay, under my AutoCAD, we'll see ClinicCAD. This is ClinicCAD file. So I'll right click and open. Okay, just open ClinicCAD file. So this is the work. You can see the work is showing us normal AutoCAD file now. You see? These my birds. They've come to a space that does not welcome them. So I have to remove them. They are not welcome here. Right? So this is how to do. You can see they are all looking like, let me not say they are all looking like, these are CAD files. Okay, this is CAD file rather. This is CAD file. So this is CAD file. With this now, the person is good to go. The structural engineer, the electrical engineer is good to go with his work. Instead of we're drawing those things here in ArchiCAD again and again. So, or in AutoCAD again. So once you just done it in ArchiCAD, you can just convert it to AutoCAD. That's why ArchiCAD is very sweet actually. So I advise you guys to use it. All right. So I think we'll be stopping here. All right. We'll be stopping here. So thank you so much for your time. And if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe, do well to share, do well to comment. All right, do well to subscribe, do well to share, do well to comment. Comment, please. All right, comment, and let's share it to others, and also let's get the channel growing. So thank you so much for your time. See you on the next tutorial. Please, you need to watch our next tutorial. Okay, it's going to be a very big residential building. We just want to work on the exterior exterior design. Let's see how we can play with the building. Okay, but I'll be asking questions. If you have suggestions, you can drop it on the comment section. From there I can add those. I can rework on it, affecting those things that you guys want me to do to make it look more realistic. So everything we are doing here we actually need together. All right, I'm learning from you guys too. And I need you guys ideas too, not just my idea. I need your ideas too. All right, so thank you so much once again for your time. See you on the next tutorial.